Abojisewoi, ebetu enintonwi. Today, we go back to our roots. The flute, the xylophone, drums, the soul of traditional music. Hewale, a traditional music ensemble, will be our case study. Enjoy the soulful tones of their music and meet the man behind the group, Dela Botri.
Hewale is a Ga word. It means strength. Apt, perhaps. Armed with their flute, xylophone, and drums, this ensemble have toured worldwide, showcasing traditional Ghanaian music to a diverse range of audience. The man behind it all, however, is the laboratory.
My name is The Laboratory, a musician, flautist, percussionist, and a singer and arranger. Currently, I'm the leader and the founder of Hewale Sounds, but I started my musical career with Okoto Cultural Troupe during 1979. Then I joined a couple of cultural troupes around, then also joined Pan-African Orchestra in 1990. I have the dream of doing something my own in the future. So I just organized my colleagues. Then we have this group form, Then we had very tough time in the middle because financial problems. So I decided to go and see Professor Nketia for more helps. So Professor Nketia was like, okay, then you can come and play an audition. So I went with the whole group to perform. Then after that, he invited me again to come for an audition concert. So after the audition concert, he decided to employ the group at the university from 1996 till 2004. We were there, we had many of opportunities, and we traveled to South Africa, Jordan, Norway, and the United States of America, and some part of Africa, most of West African countries.
In today's global village, one's identity and origin can be lost or become muddled. Hewale provides an antidote.
Ghanaians don't patronize much of our traditional music because they ignore it. They ignore it. I can see sometimes if you go to some programs, but outside it's not like that. Some of the white people, when they come here to see traditional music, but there is nowhere to be found. They can't find it anywhere. You know, sometimes like I wish like they could organize a program called maybe Traditional Night, something.